Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be understanding two more concepts. One is parallax and one is stereoscope. To do the derivation of the parallax, you need to understand these two concepts of parallax and the stereoscope. Moving to understanding what is parallax. Parallax is the apparent shift of the position of the object due to shift in the position of the observer. To understand this definition, let us take an example. Imagine yourself sitting in a vehicle and this vehicle is moving. You all are the observers. If you all are sitting towards the window side, you all can observe that there are trees, there are mountains, there are vehicles which are besides you all. So there are number of objects which you all are able to see. Once you all start moving in the vehicle, you all can see that the trees which are present move, wherein you as an observer are moving and not the tree. So the apparent shift, that is the shift in the image of the object, is called as parallax. So this tree which is nearby to your vision moves at a faster rate, but wherein the mountains which are far away from the observation move at a slower rate. So this is called as parallax. So with another example, we'll try to understand this definition. Imagine this to be the sun. There are two observers which are trying to see the sun. In between there is a tree. Okay, the person at the left, he'll see the sun, he'll try to observe the sun, and the right person also will try to see the sun. Since the tree is in between, the observer who is at left will see that the sun is towards the left and the tree is towards the right side. But the observer who is towards the right side, he'll be seeing the sun towards the right and the tree towards the left. So the observation, it depends. Parallax is the effect of the observation. So if you are standing towards the left, this person can see that the tree is towards the left of the sun, but the observer towards the right can see that the tree is towards the right side of the sun. So I can say that it depends on the observer, that is, wherein the sun and the tree are in the fixed position. The observations are changing, that is from the left and from the right. So the apparent shift in the position of the object due to shift in the position of the observer is called as parallax. I hope you all understood what is parallax. We'll move to something called as depth perception. There are two things. One is monoscopic and the other one is stereoscopic. Monoscopic is called as quantitative measurement, which helps in determining relative size of the object, hidden objects, shadows, difference in focusing of on eye for different objects. This is nothing but parallax. When you all see the objects, it is an monoscopic view with a single eye. And stereoscopic, it is a quantitative measurement which helps in providing double image phenomena. This you all will understand in the coming slides. And relative convergence of optical axis of the two eyes. We'll move to what is stereoscopic. What is stereoscope? Now, what is stereoscope? It is the name given to the phenomena of an apparent three-dimensional model created by viewing two photos of the same object, one photograph with each eye simultaneously. To understand this definition, let us take an example. So human beings have two eyes which are one beside the each other, and they are placed at a certain distance. Now this each eye, now I am considering only one eye. each eye is able to see the object, same object, but at a slightly different angle. You'll need to imagine this. Close your eyes, close your left eye, and try to see a single object. Now you all can see that that single object is towards right side, but when you all open the left eye and close your right eye, you all will see that the object is towards your left side. That is, see here, if this is an object which is front of me, I am closing my right eye, and with the left eye I am observing, so the image is towards my left eye. Similarly, I am closing my left eye and opening my right eye. The image is visible on the right side. So, what the human brain does now, when I observe a particular object from both the eyes open, now what the brain does, it takes the readings, or it observes the same object and tries to merge both of them. When it merges both of them, we get a three-dimensional image. Which helps in determining the height, the width, and the depth. So this process is called as stereoscopy. Stereoscopy is the phenomena of an apparent three-dimensional model created by viewing two photos. Two photos is nothing but the same object but with two different eyesights, that is one to of your left and one to your right. When you all merge together, a three-dimensional picture is created. One photograph of each wherein one with each eye simultaneously. So this phenomena is called as stereoscope. To understand the stereoscopic procedures, we'll do that in the next video presentation. I hope you all understood what is parallax and what is stereoscope. So in the next classes, we'll go in depth with stereoscope, and we will also derive the equation related to parallax. Thank you.